And now to complete the look, I'm going to use my mascara, and I'm going to use the Cake Mascara. So this is actually a new formula, and I just added a little bit of water to this. It's a brown cake mascara. Now, what I do to have a natural look is I just coat the lower part of the lashes. So the upper lashes, but the right close to the lash line. And when I feel I've got enough product on the lashes, I then use my blending brush again, and I brush upwards. So I bring the mascara out. So I don't know if you can see the difference there. Just going to do the other side now. And then I do the same thing as before.